My repair guy. Today we're cutting up the floor. We're gonna do a commercial drain, and we're also gonna level out the cement right here in this corner, so we can finish out building the frame for the rest of the frame for the building, put drywall and everything to go up. And I'll see you guys soon.
Initial cuts into the concrete, but now you got some of the top cover off. What are you going to do now with it to make it a little easier?
Yeah, so now I'm gonna make indentations inside the cement. This way to make it easier to break up. The cement actually pretty thick, so we can just get it out. Once we get it started, everything can just go as close.
Okay.
Yeah. See, the way you notice with a cross cut, it make it way easier to break up. Yeah. Stick some or something. Yes.
Go.
Say this is what we found in the ground, some cinder blocks. And that's part of the reason why we was trying to dig the ground out to get it back level so we could finish our framing. So, come to find out, they probably did something here near in the future or in the past. And here we are re-digging it out to get it re-smoothed out so we can get it finished up.
Okay, see you in a minute. What are you doing today?
Framing. Doing the cement, doing some framing, some cement, some electrical, a little bit of electrical, some drywall. We can get to all of it today.
All right.
And yep, that's it for today.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, beer guy. Hey guys, how you doing today? We're starting off this job. Cement framing, like I told you guys before. So you guys get to see tear things up, put things together. Here are all my tools and stuff. Yeah, I'm about to get ready to act the food. Alright guys. Get the llama guys.